Thank you everybody for coming to the TCL booth. Today we're going to showcase our newest product, which is the 136 ACE LED product line. So it's an all-in product. You can see from here, this is a TCL technology made by TCL through our manufacturing arm CSOT. It's a 136-inch, 98% screen-to-body product. Chip on board, so manufactured by TCL, chip on board product, 1.5 pixel pitch on it. You can see right here, we actually have a stand that go on the bottom here for movability. You also can install it actually on the wall as well. You also actually put a soundbar by TCL or any other agnostic brand that we can use for your audio portion as well. I'm going to go back to the back real quick. It showcase how seamless the integration is for our installers and integrators. Very easy to put together. It takes about an hour and a half, 2 hours with experience that's going into it. You can see a controller in the back right here, which is our NovaStore controller that is Android-based platform that is considerably different than other brands that are out there. We're Android for everything for TCL. 5-year manufacturer warranty from the factory. We give spare parts with every single opportunity as well. But we're very excited to have the global debut of our LED product. Thank you.